Hello there. Today we are going to guide you through the process of registering yourself at the KVR office in Munich. Whether you have just moved to the city or need to update your information, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather the required documents. Before heading to the KVR office, make sure you have all the necessary documents. These typically include your passport, residence permit if applicable, rental contract, confirmation letter from landlord, marriage certificate if applicable, completed registration form, or any other relevant identification. Link to download city registration forms for different cities within Germany are listed in the description. Step 2. Book an appointment. Go to your browser and type www.munchen.de. Follow the steps as shown in the video. You can register as a single person or as a family. For the sake of the example, we are going to register as a family. Next, you should choose a KVR office. Opt for the one closest to your location. But if you can't find available slots there, feel free to select any KVR office within your city. Then you will be asked to fill personal details. Fill in the details as requested and click next. You will receive an email for confirmation of your appointment. Click on the URL and confirm your appointment. Once confirmed, you will receive another email with the details for your appointment. Step 3. Arrive at the KVR office. On the day of your appointment, arrive at the KVR office a bit early. Make sure you have all your documents neatly organized in a folder for easy access. You will be allowed 15 minutes before your appointment time to enter into the premise. Follow the signs to the registration area, check in at the reception desk and take a seat in the waiting area. Be patient as there might be a bit of wait depending on the crowd. Keep checking the display screens where your token number will be displayed. Once your token number is there, move to the respective room. Step 4. Document submission at the counter. Present your appointment confirmation and documents to the officer. They will verify your information, so make sure everything is accurate. The officer might ask you a few questions about your stay, work, or study in Munich. Answer truthfully and provide any additional information they require. The officer will then process your documents and enter your information into their system. Once the registration is complete, the officer will provide you with a confirmation document. And there you have it. You have successfully registered yourself at KVR office in Munich. Remember to keep your registration documents safe and updated. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact the KVR office. Thanks for watching and welcome to Munich.